Grab a saucepan, medium-sized, placed over medium heat. Into this, blend 1 cup of granulated sugar with a 1/4 cup of water. Stir this gently, just until the sugar dissolves into a sweet syrup. Let the mixture boil on its own, evolving into a deep amber hue. This transformation should take about 6 to 8 minutes, but keep a vigilant eye to prevent any chance of burning. Next comes the careful addition of warmed heavy cream, 1/2 cup to be precise. Be prepared for a lively reaction as the cream meets the caramelized sugar. A vigorous bubbling will ensue, but fear not. Stir the mixture until it reaches a smooth consistency. Now, off the heat it goes. This is the perfect moment to introduce the honey, butter, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and just a pinch of salt. That's a 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend them all in until the butter is fully incorporated and the sauce is smooth. Allow the sauce to cool slightly before its first use. This homemade honey cinnamon caramel sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Should it thicken too much during its chill time, a gentle reheating will bring it back to its pourable glory. Now let's go over the many uses of this delightful sauce. Picture it drizzled over vanilla or chocolate ice cream, adding a rich, flavorful topping. Or imagine it paired with sliced apples, pears, or bananas, or even as a dip for a fruit platter. Take a moment to think about stirring a spoonful into hot coffee or tea, adding a sweet spiced flavor to your favorite beverage. Or envisage it as a topping for cakes, cupcakes, or muffins. Imagine it drizzled over pancakes, waffles, or French toast, adding a delightful twist to your morning routine. Or even stirred into plain or vanilla yogurt, creating a sweet, spice treat. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.